Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
Welcome to the future of personal hygiene with this smart bidet from iliD. If you love feeling the ultimate level of clean every time you visit the bathroom, then you need this bidet. It has a remote control that gives you total customization of all of the options, including water temperature, seat temperature, even the position of the nozzle. It even comes with a drying feature, and you can control the temperature of the dryer. Because of all the features that this toilet seat bidet from iliD has, you will need an electrical outlet to be able to plug it in, and the cord is short, so you need to make sure that the outlet is close to the toilet. I love the fact that it has a soft closure on the lid and the seat, making this a truly luxurious experience. No more slamming down the seat or slamming down the cover. And there's also a night light feature. So if you are using the bathroom at night, that little knob on the side, which you can control the bidet with, will glow for you and guide you towards the toilet. It also has a sensor so that the seat will heat up as you approach, making it the perfect temperature before you even sit down. It has a template to help you make sure you center it on your toilet. This is for an elongated toilet. It does not interfere with my cleaning the toilet. It has remained easy to clean. We are in the midst of a bathroom renovation, but this accessory for the toilet has already elevated my bathroom to a spa. So if cleanliness and comfort are important to you, then do not hesitate. You need to have a bidet like this one from iliD.
And that is my point of view.